Hey, this is Ralph, and in this short video, I want to walk you through some of the neat things that you get in the Funnel Builder Academy here at HBA. You get not only our incredible funnel building tool, but you get a lot of training, a lot of setup guides, live coaching, done for you funnels, just a whole lot. But one thing that I really want to stress in this video is a bonus offer that you get when you join the Funnel Builders Academy. Not only do you get all the regular training, but you also get what is called the bonus vault. I'm going to show that to you right here. The bonus vault here is packed with a lot of valuable training, and you get to keep the bonus vault even if you drop out of the Funnel Builder Academy after your first 30 days. So yeah, you will lose your access to the Funnel Builder tool and the regular training, but the bonus vault is yours to keep. And what we have here, the Magical Morning Formula, which is a incredible way, really, to start your day off right. It's got several points to getting your day started on a positive note. We've got algorithms for abundance, essentially how to help you create a better mindset. We've got the affiliate marketing domination course. And this is incredible. This is a combination of, about 13 different lessons, all put together by Mike Hobbs, in which he walks you through how to dominate in the affiliate marketing space. I've been in the Home Business Academy for a while now, and I am still going through the affiliate marketing domination course. A whole lot of value in this thing, a lot of stuff that you'll pick up on your first time and then forget after a while. So I find the value in just going back through a lot of these video presentations and refreshing my mind on things that I could be doing better in affiliate marketing, and Mike lays it out clearly. And what else do we have here? Let's see here. The Ultimate Copyright and Headline Formulation Magic Cheat Sheet, and 111 little black books, book of emails, masterclass training, Hidden Secret, the stories that sell, 3 magic emails, and that about covers it. But everything in the bonus vault, including the Affiliate Marketing Domination course, is yours to keep, even if you drop out of the HBA Funnel Builders Academy after your first 30 days. So, incredible value in this. And the Funnel Builder Academy only costs $25 a month, pays $20 recurring commissions. That's practically a no-brainer in and of itself. But then they throw all this additional value in with it, and they keep this program up to date year after year after year. It's just an incredible community to belong to and an incredible business opportunity to promote. So if you want to join HBA, join at the Funnel Builders level or whatever levels you would like, ask me for my affiliate link. Be more than happy to share that with you, or just go to my main link, ralphshomebiz.com. Till later, this is Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Talk later. Bye-bye.